Hello everyone, and today we're going to look at how to create a Crossroads signal plan with 4 TLD traffic lights. First, we're going to start by logging into the vTouch controller with the admin password and going to Edit. Once we're in Edit, we're going to use the big plus button on the right-hand side to create 4 different traffic phases, one for each light. Once we have the 4 traffic phases created, double tap on the first phase to go inside and modify the timings. Press Edit and adjust the timings that fit your intersection needs. There will be a screenshot on screen with the description of each timing option if ever you want to pause the video. You can change the amount of seconds by using the arrows up and down or by pressing in between the arrows and entering the times manually. When you're done, just press Apply. Next up, just verify the activation method. By default, it'll be set to minimum recall to run automatically. If you have a vehicle detector, you would want to select Call. When everything is done, press back and repeat these exact steps in traffic phase number 2. For traffic phase number 2, it's very important after entering the timings that you press the small number 2 light to change the light from red to green. This will ensure that each light has its own distinct phase and will avoid activation issues. When you're done, just press back and repeat with traffic phases 3 and 4. Remember to change the red light to green whenever you're modifying a phase. In the example on screen, we're modifying phase 3, so we're going to change light number 3 here. And we'll do the exact same thing when modifying phase 4, we will be changing light number 4. It's really important to note which units will be 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the actual worksite to avoid any confusion and to also ensure that each light has its proper timings. Once all of the traffic phases are modified to your needs, be sure to give them a quick inspection to make sure that the timings are correct, the arrows are pointing in different directions, and that the activation method is set right. Next, you're simply going to press the Save button and give your signal plan a name. When you're ready to activate it, press the play button on the left-hand side and double tap the saved signal plan and press Yes to activate it. It's totally normal that for the first phase, all the lights are red. This is based on the initial configuration that we did in the setup. Once that red phase is done, it'll kick into the first phase that we created.